From read-only to owning the web, a journey through web versions. The internet has changed a lot since its early days. Remember Web 1.0? It was like a giant library, lots of static pages to read, not much interaction. Then came Web 2.0, think Facebook, YouTube, and Google. Suddenly, we were all creating content, sharing our lives, and connecting with each other. Web 2.0 was about participation, but there was a catch. Big companies controlled everything. They owned our data. They decided what we could see and do online. Web 3 aims to change that. It's the next step in the evolution of the internet. Web 3 is about giving power back to the users. Imagine a world where you control your own data, you decide who gets to see it and how it's used. That's the promise of Web 3.
Web 3. What is it, and why is everyone talking about it? Web 3 is built on a technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain like a giant, secure digital ledger. It's spread across many computers, making it almost impossible to hack or control. This decentralized nature is what makes Web 3 so revolutionary. In Web 3, you own your data. You can take it with you from one platform to another. It's like owning your digital identity instead of renting it from big tech companies. This shift in ownership has huge implications. It means more privacy, more control, and more opportunities for innovation. Web 3 is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to change everything.
Power to the people. Decentralization, ownership, and more. Decentralization is at the heart of Web 3. It means no single entity controls the network. This makes it more secure, transparent, and resistant to censorship. Ownership is another key aspect. You own your data and digital assets in Web 3. Think of it like owning a house versus renting an apartment. You have more control and freedom with ownership. Web 3 also emphasizes privacy. You get to choose what data you share and who you share it with. Interoperability is another important feature. Web 3 applications are designed to work together seamlessly. It's like having different apps on your phone that can easily share data and functionality.
Section 4, Web 3 in Action Real-World Examples. Web 3 is already being used in exciting ways. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are prime examples. They allow for secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are another hot topic in the Web 3 world. They represent unique digital assets, like art, collectibles, or even virtual real estate. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is another growing area. DeFi platforms offer traditional financial services like lending and borrowing, but without the need for banks. These are just a few examples of how Web 3 is changing the way we interact and transact online.
Section 5. The road ahead. Challenges and opportunities in the world of Web 3. Web 3 is still in its early stages, and it faces challenges. Scalability is a major concern. As more users and applications come online, the network needs to handle the increased traffic. Security is another ongoing challenge. While blockchain technology is secure, vulnerabilities can still exist in smart contracts and other applications. Despite these challenges, the future of Web 3 looks bright. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative applications and greater adoption. Web 3 has the potential to create a more open, equitable, and secure internet for everyone.
Gap 2S. Section 6. The future potential of Web 3. As we look towards the horizon, the potential of Web 3 appears boundless. Emerging technologies such as decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, are just the beginning. These innovations promise to reshape entire industries, from finance and art to governance and beyond. Gap 3S. Imagine a world where financial services are accessible to anyone with an internet connection, bypassing traditional banks and intermediaries. DeFi platforms are already making this a reality, offering loans, savings accounts, and investment opportunities without the need for a centralized authority. This could democratize finance, giving millions of people access to financial tools previously out of reach. Gap 3S. NFTs are revolutionizing the concept of ownership in the digital age. Artists, musicians, and creators can now monetize their work directly without relying on middlemen. This not only empowers creators, but also gives fans a new way to engage with and support their favorite artists. The impact on the creative economy could be profound, fostering a more direct and equitable relationship between creators and consumers. GAP3S, DAOs represent a new form of organization, where decisions are made collectively by stakeholders rather than a central authority. This could lead to more transparent and democratic governance models, both in business and in public administration. Imagine a future where communities can self-govern, making decisions that reflect the true will of their members. GAP3S. But how can individuals and businesses prepare for this new era? Education is key. Staying informed about the latest developments in Web3 technology will be crucial. For businesses, exploring how these technologies can be integrated into their operations could provide a competitive edge. For individuals, understanding how to use and interact with these new tools will open up a world of opportunities. GAP3S. The societal impacts of Web3 could be immense. A more decentralized web has the potential to reduce inequalities, increase transparency, and empower individuals like never before. However, this future will require collaboration, innovation, and a willingness to embrace change. As we stand on the brink of this new digital frontier, the possibilities are as exciting as they are transformative. GAP3S. In conclusion, the future of Web3 is not just about technology. It's about creating a more open, equitable, and secure digital world. By staying informed and engaged, we can all play a part in shaping this future. The journey of Web3 has only just begun, and its potential is limited only by our imagination.